Spool Up Racing channel coming at you guys with a blah, blah, blah. This is just an update.
This shit is eBay, bro. eBay.
Fuck you.
Well, that's what it's gonna do. That's what it's gonna try to do to me. But
this mine
I
has
told
to
you to
go.
leave the hatch closed, nigga.
Huh?
So
Nigga, them shits is gaga,
No,
nigga.
they not, nigga. These shits don't even fit, nigga.
Yes, they do.
You need this. You need this.
Nah, this shit too. Stop. You gotta go down. Where's my hammer at? Oh, there you go. What I got done so far. Tuck the headlight harness. You can't see the headlight harness is up running along here. If you can see, it's running along. Damn, you can't even see it. I tucked it so good, but yeah. Tuck the headlight harness. The engine harness is next. So I have to do axles, shifter box, subframe. I don't have a subframe. And that's about it, and she should be on the floor. That's so exciting. But Spool Up Racing channel. Sorry I haven't been getting back at videos, but I just decided just to throw a video out just to throw a video out just so you guys could see like what's going on and everything. So yeah, Spool Up Racing channel out of here. Oh,
Look to right here.
started mounting some cables. I'm sorry, but missed it a little bit. But we cut right here. I would say about 2 inches, and another hole for the shifter box. As you can see, what is going in right now. He's pulling it. So yeah, we mounted shifter box about 2 inches. We cut. If it's an EK, cut right behind this hump. Right here should be a hump, and then 2 inches away from this little, I guess, cross member. I don't know. Feed up pry, get a pry bar. Cause I have an EG subframe. Pry right, well, mount it a little to the right if you're running an EG subframe. And up, through, you can't really see, but through there, and you know, just mount it. The fuck was that just dropped? This car's gonna be made for a tall nigga then.
Yeah. Ray can't drive this. Shifted on his
You
ass.
and him are the same height.
Huh?
You and him are the same height.
Hell no, nigga. Don't disrespect me.
How tall are you?
Nigga 5'6". Not he. Hell no, nigga. I'm 5'8".
I'm 6'2".
Alright, that nigga, he's 5'6", 5'5".
Something's sparking up there.
Yeah, nigga, it's my power. We'll turn the key. Nothing. Turn off the fan, nigga. What the fuck? No.
I'm scared.
Turn the lights. Turn the lights.
Oh, they both work. Yo, my wire tongue. Ah!
Nigga, you know, because that fuse though, nigga, that fuse had not been in there, you would have been going sick.
Right, let's try a moment of truth.
Oh, you haven't tried it yet?
What? Clutch
You think that shit gonna work in one shot?
I don't know. You wanna try?
Yeah, nigga, the lights work, the fan work, nigga. Yeah. Hold on, I know why. The starter.